How to add a song to your playlist on Deezer. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add a song that you like on Deezer to your playlist. Easy and fast method. So first thing we do is we go to Deezer app, and after that we choose an artist or a song here. Let's just choose this one. Now you click on those three dots here in the top corner and you choose add to playlist and you choose your playlist here, or you can create a playlist from here. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.